Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Deborah, and for today's video I'm gonna give you guys a quick review on this Kinky Straight Clip-ins hair extension, and they came in this package with this little card. It also came with instruction that they sent me on WhatsApp. It's 18-inch and it came also with extra clip-ins, and it came very fast. Like, I ordered it and received it the following day. So this is the hair. It's super soft, like it's so soft, and it doesn't tangle. So it came with one that has 5 clip-ins and one that has 4 clip-ins, and also it has one that has 3 clip-ins and 3 that has 2 clip-ins and 2 that has only 1 clip-ins. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair. By the way, this is not a tutorial. I am pretty new at this. I have never put clip-ins hair extensions before, so this is my first time. Well, on this video it's not necessarily my first time, but I have been wearing them since I bought them, in which it was like 3 or 4 weeks ago. So I have been wearing them non-stop, learning how to style them, learning how to care for them, and I do sleep with them, so I don't think it's a problem. But yeah, please do not mind the way I've put in this first part. I didn't do it right, but I did fix it, so don't worry about it. Don't pay too much attention, but please enjoy the rest of this video, and I will talk to you at the end. So this is how my hair looks so far. I think I should have straightened out the clip-ins, but it's fine. It doesn't bother me that much. So I'm just gonna brush my hair and just like show you how everything looks. Definitely, as you can see, one pack is enough, but if you want like full volume, you can buy another pack, like have two packs, but definitely one pack was enough for me. Even on the website they did mention that one pack is enough, but if you want volume you should get another pack. I really love these clip-ins. They just give my hair that natural look to it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Now I'm gonna accessorize, and I will leave on the description below where I bought these accessories, also from an Instagram store. They are super cute. Oh my gosh, I am in love with these accessories, like so cute. Yeah, so this is how I've been wearing my hair, and this is another one, super cute. I'm into like pearls these days, so I'm loving this whole look. So we have reached the end of this video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Let me know what you think of the hair. Have you tried clip-ins before? Do you have any tips for me? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.